everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to Yarn Purpose. Today, let's talk about double yarn overs. Hey everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just quickly talk about double yarn overs. I have been using them in my patterns more, and I thought it'd just be a great little quick video to show you this week. I love double yarn overs because they create larger holes in your knitting, so you can use them in lots of different applications. I especially like incorporating double yarn overs into shawls or accessories where I'm using a variegated yarn. I find that they kind of help break up the the busyness of the yarn, and typically for me I find they help prevent pooling and things like that. So I've already worked obviously a couple of repeats of double yarn overs, but let's go ahead and work another row. So on the first row we're going to kind of set up the double yarn over with, I just did my 2 edge stitches there. We're going to start by doing a decrease. When I write my patterns, my first decrease is typically a knit 2 together, then yarn over twice. So I'm just going to take the yarn and literally do 1 yarn over, 2 yarn overs, and then we have to do another decrease over here. Again, for my patterns, I usually do this one as an SSK. So here you can see we've created the double yarn over. So you have the yarn going over the needle twice. So I'm just going to repeat that process all the way across the row. Knit 2 together, yarn over twice, SSK. And then one more time, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, SSK. And if you're noticing that I do my SSKs a little bit differently, I do have a video on how I like to do my SSKs. I will leave a link to it down below. So now I'm just back to my 2 edge stitches, so I'm just going to go ahead and knit those. So here we have the first row, and again you can see here and here and here that the yarn is going around the needle twice. So now let's go ahead and flip to the other side and work the next row. So again, I'm just going to knit my 2 edge stitches on this swatch, and then I was working this in stockinette, so I'm going to purl. Then I come to my double yarn over. Again, this is the way I personally like to do it when I'm working in stockinette. I purl the first yarn over, take that loop off, bring the yarn to the back, and knit the stitch. Basically the point is that you want to knit one of the double yarn over stitches and purl the other one. So it does not matter if you do a purl and then a knit, or then a knit and then a purl. Your pattern will tell you. I just have a tendency when writing my patterns, if I'm already purling because I'm in stockinette, I tend to put, here we go again, the purl first, purl one yarn over, and then bring the yarn to the back to knit. And we're going to bring the yarn back to the front and keep purling. But I'll show you on this one, you just as easily could purl to the double yarn over, bring the yarn to the back and knit, then bring the yarn to the front and purl. It doesn't matter, but you can't do 2 purls or 2 knits. It has to be a knit and a purl, or then a purl and a knit. And then we're finishing off our stockinette and then our 2 edge stitches. And that's it. That's working a double yarn over. They're really great, again, because they create a bigger hole, obviously, than a regular yarn over. So they're really fun to use in different applications in your knitting. So that's just a quick little explanation of how to do a double yarn over. If you like this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like, you can turn on notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos almost every week, so be sure to stay tuned. I hope everybody has a great week, and I'll be back next week with a new video. Bye!